Alright guys, how's everyone doing today? Today I thought I should make another rehousing video. This time from Laura, my Cyclosternum schmardae, the yellow banded bird eater. And you can see this is how much they sell in Canada. 3/4 inch for $35, and yes, in some parts around the world they do sell them for cheaper, so you don't have to comment on that, I know. So this is your typical terrestrial setup. Got about 2 inches of potting soil, a little piece of wood bark for her to crawl under for security, and a bottle cap from an orange juice bottle for a little water dish. Okay, so now I have a paintbrush and a little cup because I want to see if I can try to eventually sex her to see whether or not it is a male or a female, because I don't have another one. I just hope it's a female. Okay, so open up the lid, and there she is. So, she's kicking hairs. These are typical for your cyclosternums to do that. I don't know, it looks like one. And here we go. That's what she looks like, so let me try to eventually sex her. Alright, so here is Laura's ventral shot. And I don't know if I can show you. I'm trying to zoom in very, very gently. I kind of see an upside down U-shaped. Great. So no, that means that he's a male. That just sucks. I knew it. Oh well, too good to be true. So now let's go ahead and transfer him or her into a new enclosure. Keep in mind the abdomen's really fat because she's been fed a lot of superworms. And just trying to show some skittishness. It's typical of your Cyclosternum species, and there you go. Pretty simple. And there we go. There is Laura, or wait till she next molts, I'll really find out if it's a male or a female. Yellow banded bird eater. Oh, and I also forgot. Put the pretty label on. So that way you can tell what spider is what. It's not straight. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Now that's much better. So guys, that's the transfer video of the Cyclosternum schmardae, the yellow banded bird eater. And hope you'd all enjoyed it. Alright guys, see you later.